to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Cheri. I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday. Right now my Tuesdays are Cruise Day Tuesdays with a whole bunch of cruise information, and Fridays are my Disney vlogs. So I would love for you to subscribe and hit that little bell notification to be notified every time I post a new video. So today I have my Bibbidi Bobbidi Box. Here it is. It came while we were on a cruise. It's been here for almost 2 weeks. My sweet neighbor pulled it off of my porch, and when she delivered it, she said, I can't wait to see what's inside. So without further ado, here it is. This is the fantasy box. It is $59 plus tax and shipping, so it's $60-something. And let's just dig in because I'm dying to see what's inside. Okay, here's what it looks like. And there was confetti and it just spilled all over the floor. But let's see. So here's a little card and it says, she knows if you've been scary or nice, happy holiday season from the team here at BBB, Amanda, Becky, and Brenda. And I can't remember her name, but she's from Monsters Inc., isn't she? I think she is. That's super cute. And then here's the packing slip. The spoiler alert, I'm not gonna look because I can kind of see through the paper, but that is Mike and Sully from Monsters Inc. That picture is adorable. I've never seen it before. Isn't that cute? Love it. And then I have the teal tissue paper with the little sticker. The box is very, very light, so I have no idea what could be inside. Okay, so here's what I see. It is bubble wrap with this, which is super light, so I'm guessing it's an ornament. Oh, look at that. That's pretty. It is Cinderella's glass slipper, and it says, where the glass slipper always fits, Disneyland, Walt Disney World. I'm not sure you're going to be able to see the writing there. That's really pretty. I've never seen that before. It is $24.99. And it says that it is a Disney Parks Resort exclusive. So, that's super cute. Oh my gosh, my husband's gonna be so excited. It is a Rice Krispie treat. It is for the holidays. This was on my preference sheet. My husband loves these Rice Krispie treats, so he's gonna be super excited. There's one more item in the box, and it says a Disney Parks exclusive, and it's in this little plastic bag. Here it is. It's in the tissue paper. Let's see what it is. It is, jewelry. And it says, it's like the Hollywood Tower Hotel. It's a little necklace. The price is maroon. I have never seen this before. That's kind of cute. It's probably not something that I would pick up for myself, but it is something that I think I would wear. I don't know. I kind of like the bronze. I don't have anything that color. It's definitely different. Okay, so let's look at the packing slip now. So it says Disney Parks exclusive glass slipper globe ornament, retail price $24.99. Disney Parks exclusive Haunted Mansion key necklace, but that's not Haunted Mansion because it says HTH, so Hollywood Tower Hotel, so it's actually Tower of Terror. That's okay, $34.99. Wow. And then Disney Parks Rice Krispie Treats is $5.99. The retail value is $65.97. I paid $59 for the box, and then plus like shipping and tax, it was 60-something. I'm not super thrilled with the box. The Rice Krispie treat is great. I did put on my preference sheet jewelry, and the necklace is cool, but I did not put as a preference Tower of Terror. Haunted Mansion is a preference, but that is not a Haunted Mansion necklace. And the ornament is cute. It's not really my style. I do collect ornaments, but I was pretty specific about the ornaments that I collect, and I collect those. They're like Christopher Radco, I think they are. That style of ornament where they're like the glass ornaments that are painted, and this does not fall into that category. So I'm not super thrilled with the box. I already paid for my December box, but I'm really thinking that after the December box comes, which it should come any day, I think I'm actually going to cancel my subscription. The first couple boxes I felt were awesome, but now I just don't really feel like I'm getting stuff that I would ever buy. And I'm super specific on my preference list, and I feel like, I guess they kind of hit it with the jewelry, but Tower of Terror was not one of my rides. Haunted Mansion was, and they put the wrong ride on the packing slip. And while I do collect ornaments and that was on my preference sheet, it's not the type of ornament that I collect. So I feel like they kind of missed the mark this month. So we'll see. Tell me what you think of the box that I received this month, and tell me which item is your favorite. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I would love for you to subscribe if you have not already. I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.